Hi sunshines, yes, you. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not a dance cover, it is a makeup tutorial that I'm going to show you how I will recreate my look. If you haven't watched my Q&A video, the link will be on the description box. If you wanna watch or want to know more about me, you should definitely watch that video. So yeah, I will be jumping right into my foundation, but first I'm going to moisturize my face. This Bellow, it's like a sunscreen, I guess, but first I'm gonna use this to my hair because why not? And now I'm going to put a foundation already because I don't want to put a primer, because after this video I'm just going to take a lot of pictures and I'm not going anywhere, so I don't want to waste my primer. Of course, my foundation will be the Maybelline Fit Me. My shade is number 238, as you can see, and I'm just gonna use my finger to oh no, how about I will do my eye makeup look first before I put some foundation, because sometimes I do fucked up on my foundation. Just a little bit, and going to use my finger to blend it out. I'm just gonna set my eyelid with this Maybelline White Super Fresh. I have a setting powder, but I misplaced it, so I'm not gonna find it now because I don't want to take my time. So I'm gonna put it right here to set my eyelid. This Morphe 350 palette right here, and this color right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eye and in my inner corner, so it will be going like this. It's gonna dab it right there. Clean blending brush, this one, the smaller one, and going to blend it out. And connecting with the eyeshadow for your outer corner. What we're gonna put in the middle part of the eyelid is like shimmery eyeshadow. So what we're gonna do is, what should we put? Oh, I forgot. Oh, this one right here. This one. Oh wow. I will be back. Oh my god, I'm back. The bee is back. So I'm done with my eyebrows and the other eye, so we're gonna jump into the foundation going back with my video. Put me matte poreless. Close off a bit the neck. I'm gonna use the same concealer that I use on my eyelid, because that's the only concealer that I have. And I'm back. I did set my under eye with my favorite setting powder. It's from Nichido and my shade is Ivory Glow. Use this contour palette. It's from Ministar Professional Makeup. We want like a bronzy look today because why not? So I'm just going to use this one and this one. This blush right here and here. This one and this one. This palette. Gonna use this one. Oh my god, it's too bright. This one. Now we're going to put an eyelash and I will be back. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this lipstick again. If you have watched my other makeup tutorials, I always use this because this is my only nude lipstick. So and done.
'Cause there's still a long, long way to go. Worrying over our heads, we're holding our breath. Will we ever get to the other side before there's nothing left? Yeah, our bodies are weak, we're tired of hurting. Will we ever get to the other side?
Hi sunshines! So this is the final look and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my channel. And if you like this look, click that like button and comment down below how you feel, if you love this look. Yes, thank you so much guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!